Actually, the fire in the last few minutes has been knocked down, but if you can imagine, there were flames probably 20, 30 feet high in the air. You can see just the column of smoke that's emerging out of this building. It looks like part of the roof has collapsed. Firefighters trying to put water on it just to get it under control. Again, don't know the status of any animals at the Pet Alliance. There are 3 locations in the area, serve 5,200 animals per year per their website. That's just for numbers for this year. So you can imagine that there's probably going to be some animals inside. No word on people at this time. You can see just a lot of crew.
Come on, Bubba. Come on, man. Give me anything with a leash. Yeah. Can you sit this one? This one's going out. Okay. I got this one out. Okay. Give me this one. Come on, baby. Oh, come here. Oh, come here, baby. Come on. Can you walk? Come out all the way around the back. You'll see us. We're with the FD. Oh, come on. Oh, this one may not be able to walk out. Hey, Bubba. Yes, let's go. Come on. Come here. Oh, come on, let's go. You know this. Come on, I got you. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, so, you're gonna knock me off the feet. Come on. Oh, no, God, this thing is strong. Don't go too far, but if there's any more in here, okay, double check there, and be ready for any more. Come on. Oh, there we go. It's okay.